Maundu ma kisomo nimekuungama kimanyisyoni kinene cha Kenyatta University ni kana methiwe na Mithenya itatu ya kulilikana Amanyiw'A ala methiwe ni thayu Mbangani ya Lelu ila yosie mathayu ma Amanyiw'A 11 ma skulu o na kutia angi kauta mena maumisye utongoi wa kimanyisyo ki uyumia ukulio kula kwi mateleva methiwe ngunu na mayati ya miao ya Malelu ni kana kwesiania na Mbanga sub county commander wa polisi kuma kisioni cha Voi Ibrahim asiaka na Mbanga ikitekie vindani ila kuwete na icho kitumike othothe Mbangani Amanyiw'A 11 alama kwatie maumisye maine mathamiwe sivitalini wa Avenue Hospital kwanza ya ndeke na ala angi mena maumisye manini onamo mimatoiwe sivitalini o kukwata uitie katwelewe Mbangani Ben Makwiia.
Sijaongea bwana.
Kimanyisyo kinene cha Kenyatta nikiendee na kumeta itina wawasi ola umanie na mbanga nthuku ya Lelu ila ikitekie kisioni cha Maungu Voi.
Ni jambo baya zaidi kumpoteza kijana mdogo. Tuseme ni vibaya kupoteza mtu mkubwa, lakini ni jambo hata baya zaidi kumpoteza kijana wadogo ama vijana wadogo ambao ni tegemeo wa jamii. Kwa hivyo niliweza kushangazwa na kuhuzunika hata zaidi kwa sababu wale vijana walikuwa na nia na malengo makubwa katika maisha yao ya baadaye, hata kusaidia wale ambao ni wazazi wao. Ningeweza kuambia familia zao kwamba wakati huu mgumu tunaweka mikononi mwa Mungu, tunaweza kuwaweka katika maombi, tuweze kuombea wote.
Terio Dhiambo ni mutongoi wa Amanyiw'A kimanyisyoni ki na eweta makwatie mauvo aya makutelemia na ukuniku mwingi kumana wasi oyu na vala wamenda mateleva kwitha memetho kavindani kala me Malelu ni kwitha mbanga siithitwe sikinyia muno oingi imenda Amanyiw'A kuonania uu ivindani ye ya kimeto.
It is so heartbreaking that Kenyatta University lost a good number of students in a tragic road accident yesterday, and as we are currently speaking, they have been ferried to Avenue Hospital in Nairobi. Those who have been injured are also continuing to recuperate. My advice and my call to all drivers and everybody that is using our roads is to be careful, because the surge in accidents in Kenya is really alarming, and this is not normal. And I think the ministry needs to take a proactive step to ensure that that we curb this surge in accidents, do some sensitization to the drivers and all road users.
Kuyanana na sub-county police commander wa Voi Ibrahim Dafala andu 11 ni mama vikiye na kwase mathayu angi miongwena na ele kukwata maumisye mai na valangi ana methiwe na maumisye mavuthu. Kumana na wasi oyo yuyu kimanyisyo kini chanengana ilungu ya Mithenya itatu ya kumeta mathayu ma Amanyiw'A.
At the Business Student Center, room number 151, all the queries are being handled amicably by the management, and we also have to thank them for ensuring that there is stability within the students' fraternity. From tomorrow, all classes have been cancelled to give room for the students to mourn and to console with those who have lost their loved ones.
Vilingi wa Maungu TV, nyenita wa Ben Mosau.